How to change Revolut passcode. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Revolut passcode. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Revolut application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once you are signed in, you will be led to the Revolut home screen. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further scroll down and under the Security tab, tap on the Change Passcode option. You will then be asked to enter your existing passcode, so go ahead and enter your existing passcode and you will then be allowed to create a new passcode. So, follow the passcode requirements and then confirm your new password, and with this, your passcode will be changed. So, this is how you can change Revolut passcode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.